Light. Today we're going to talk about light, okay? Because we had previously talked about energy and what energy was. And we said that energy is the ability to do work or make change happen, right? And there's another thing, and we specifically talked about mechanical energy, like moving objects and stuff like that. But light also has energy, and light has some interesting properties. So if you were to grab a flashlight and were to shine a flashlight onto your hand, you would see a shadow appear at the back of that on the wall, right? And that's because light, it moves in a straight path. Whenever it goes, it hits your hand, and whenever that light hits your hand, it's not able to make it to the back of the wall. So there's no light there, and that would be a shadow. And what's also happened is that light carries energy, okay? Light can heat up things, as I'm assume you know. An example of that is the sun. The sun spits out a lot of light, and when you go outside, you feel the heat, like on the top of your head. Whenever you're looking at the sun, and on your body, you can feel the heat from the sun, just from the sun, in your body, and that's directly coming from the light that the sun is emitting. The sun's shooting out a ton of light, and that light is hitting your body, and it's heating it up a little bit. Now that means it has energy because it's causing a physical change. A physical change would be that it's getting a little bit hotter, right? If we were to put an ice cube out in the sun, directly out in the sun, or if you get a powerful enough flashlight, you could just shine it onto the ice cube, and the ice cube would melt. And that'd be directly from the light from the sun or that flashlight hitting that ice cube, because light has energy, and that again would cause a physical change. That physical change being that it heats up. Light has energy. Light moves in straight paths, and that's why you get shadows. And that energy heats things up. Okay, light heats things up, moves in straight line, so that's why you get shadows. And an example of how it heats things up is the sun. Whenever it hits your body, you get a little bit hotter because the sun is sending energy into your body through light. Stay in school.